Hey, this is James Pelton. Or is it? Can you tell which is really James and which is his AI twin? All right, you know I have way too much fun with AI and just different things coming up. We're looking at arcads today. You can build pretty realistic looking videos without any camera. You don't have to memorize scripts. You don't have to do different takes. It takes about 10 minutes. And I'm loving, I just really enjoy things like this. So I've done videos for a really long time. And when I used to do videos, I do training videos or ads or whatever, it was kind of a complicated process. You have to memorize a script. You have to make sure you get it in the right takes. It's hard to split it up. Even what I'm saying now, I'm misspeaking and it's hard. My editor has to go back in and fix up what I did. We would do tons of takes until we got one that we liked. I've gotten lazier over the years. Now I just put it all out there and I tell my video editor, Cass, I just say, hey, please fix this. But even for like a 30-second Facebook ad, it could take me 4 or 5 hours just to get it recorded correctly. But this all changes with arcads. So arcads, you can use AI actors, AI generated voice, and create ads, create videos, whatever it is that you're needing. So you type in a script, hello. You can put, what expression. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen other AI tools that do this, but you can say like, oh, I want you to say this sarcastically. How's your day? So in the first thing I want to show you are the talking actors. So these are the different actors that you can use where they have, their mouth. Here you go.
One of the natural AI actors.
But these are the actors and they have their mouth synced up with their voice. And it actually looks pretty good. AI has come a really long way in this. You can add yourself as an actor, and I'll show you this here in a minute as well.
Welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket your ads performance.
It makes me look like I need to have some teeth work done. But you enter your script, you choose your actor, you hit generate, it costs a few credits. And the next thing you know, you have a video. So for example, I started this school program to help people build mobile apps. So I'm kind of teaching AI coding in there. Just started it. I'll leave a link if you want to join that. But I'm looking to create an ad for that. Maybe a Facebook ad or something that I can, just drive some traffic to it. But here's what arcads put together.
Have an app idea you've always wanted to see built, or maybe you're looking for a real path to financial freedom. The truth is, most people never get their app off the ground. Coding is confusing, marketing feels overwhelming, and selling your app for a life-changing exit seems impossible. But James Pelton did it. He built an app, grew it, and sold it for 7 figures without investors or a co-founder. And now, inside his $6 million apps community, he shares the exact strategy he used, step by step. You'll learn how to turn your idea into a real app, how to attract paying users, and even how to make your business acquisition ready. If you've ever thought an app might be your path to financial freedom, this is where to start. Click below to join the community today.
I love this. This is pretty cool. I mean, and it's, it's not quite 100%. Like, I think you'll be able to tell that he is AI, but we're getting pretty close and it's pretty good. It's come a long way in a short amount of time. So you can do the talking actors. That's what I think will be most useful for me. They also have gestures where you can have the actors react and show emotions and move around a little bit. They have B-rolls where, if you're wanting somebody eating some chips. Here was one that I did the other day. So, and then obviously you need to mess around with the prompt to get it to do exactly what you're looking for. But if you're looking for B-roll footage of something, for an ad or whatever the case might be, this could be a great way to do that. They have scenes where you can give a prompt and audio to have actors do up to 8 seconds. And then show your app, which I'm going to be using this one quite a bit. With the app program, I'm building a bunch of apps. So like Park Chain is one app that we're working on. So I just took a screenshot of the app, put it here. And then you got this guy on the Park Chain app. That's pretty cool. That's good footage. That would be a lot harder for me to put together on my own. Ways that I'm going to use this is definitely in ads. You'll probably start seeing some YouTube shorts and things like that. If I want to, I could start a TikTok account and start putting just these on the TikTok account. In fact, maybe I'll do that. Let me know in the comments if you would like that as a series of me just doing AI generated TikTok videos. I'm putting them on there, seeing what we could do. But you could do affiliate marketing. You find a product, that somebody else built. Maybe you get the referral link for this $6 million app school group. It's $97 a month, and if you're a referral, you get $20 a month. Maybe you start making AI videos to market this, and you're getting $20 a month for each person that you get to sign up. Other ads, if you're making Facebook ads, if you're a marketing agency wanting to make Facebook ads, even becoming like a fake influencer. Maybe you've wanted a YouTube account, but you haven't wanted to get on a camera like this. Maybe this is your chance. But for me, this is more than just cool tech. I'm pretty busy. I've got a lot of irons in the fire. I'm doing a lot of different things. So every hour I can save that I'm not having to record or making ads or redoing ads, that's another hour that I can put into other stuff. I can put into my family. I can invest in my, church, serving other people, or just not burning out, honestly. But it doesn't just save time. It's also a lever because, I can try out 10 different Facebook ads. I might not have the energy to record 10 Facebook ads, but I can AI generate 10 Facebook ads, try out the different hooks, the different wording. So if you're wanting to check out my new school group, I'll leave a link to that. And I would love for all of you to go try out ARCADS for yourself. I think this is the future of content creation. No camera, no stress, just typing in a script, picking an actor. There you go. And there's a whole discussion that could be had about, the ethical implications. Do you lose the human connection? No, let me know if you want to me to do a video about that. If you want to discuss that a little bit. So, but I love this. I love just new technology, new things going on, new AI stuff. So I'm going to keep doing videos like this. Appreciate you guys very much. Let me know in the comments what you think, what kind of content you'd like to see. God bless you all, and have a great rest of your day.